My name is Denis, I'm a physiotherapist, and today we're going to do some breathing exercises to help you relax. Very simple exercise. We're going to do them step by step. Remember, all of the exercises should be comfortable. No exercise should be painful, and if it's the case, please see a physiotherapist. Now, let's do these exercises together step by step. Okay, we're starting with abdominal breathing. You're going to keep your hands on your stomach and you're going to feel that movement when you breathe in and when you slowly breathe out. Try not to move too much your rib cage and try to concentrate on that abdominal breathing. If you don't feel the movement, don't worry. With time, I'm sure you'll feel it. While you're doing this exercise, you should maintain your head, your shoulders, and your hips well aligned. Okay, now you're going to put your hands on your rib cage and you're going to breathe in and breathe out slowly. And the movements now has to come from your rib cage. Your belly shouldn't move. This is not an abdominal breathing. It's not so easy to do. And the movement shouldn't come from your shoulders. Of course, they're moving a little bit. But the first movements you should feel come from your rib cage. And try to exhale completely. This is a deep breathing. Okay, now you're going to put each hand on the opposite shoulder and you're going to make a trunk twist while you're breathing deeply. Try to use the abdominal breathing. Your rib cage shouldn't move that much. And your shoulders shouldn't go up, so the distance between your ears and your shoulders should be about the same from beginning to end. You're going to lift up your arms and you're going to turn your arms to your right and to your left without moving your head. So it's a trunk rotation, and hopefully you will be able to do it while you're exhaling. And after a few rotations, you take a little break, you breathe in, and when you're ready, you'll do another one. So you breathe in when you lift up your arms and you twist while you're exhaling. We'll continue to do this for a total of 90 seconds. Okay, now let's do the first exercise we've done earlier. You're going to put your hands on your stomach and practice some abdominal breathing. You could do this also lying on your back. You could do this while you're walking. You also could do this when you're on all fours. This is a very good thing to be able to practice that kind of breathing in any position. It's a great exercise to relax, to lower your stress. It's also a good exercise to do when you go to sleep. I really hope you feel better. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up, write me a comment, share it on your social media, and ask me your question. I will answer them in new videos. So take care of yourself and see you soon.